Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hack Among Us game. So let's start. First open settings on your phone. Now scroll down to general. Now tap on background app refresh. And make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. Now go back to settings. Now scroll down and go to battery. And make sure low power mode is disabled. Now go back and tap on iTunes and App Store. And make sure automatic downloads is enabled. And now you're ready to go. Now open your browser. Now type in the URL apktime.net. Oops, don't make the same mistake like me. When the website is loaded, scroll down and you'll see Among Us app. If you don't see it here, then scroll to the top and tap on the search bar and type in Among Us. Now tap on Start Injection. Now you have to verify that you are a human, not a robot. All you have to do is you have to download any two apps and fill up the requirement. After you have filled up the requirement, the Among Us app will be available for download. All you have to do is download the app and install it. And that's how you can hack Among Us game. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.